Welcome to our guide on starting a career in cybersecurity. Let's dive into this exciting and vital field. In cybersecurity, there are various roles, each crucial to protecting our digital landscape. Let's explore some of them. To enter this field, certain educational pathways will help you get started. Let's discuss degrees and certifications you should consider. Building your technical skills is vital. Familiarize yourself with networking, programming, and essential security tools. Theory is important, but nothing beats hands-on experience. Look for internships, lab environments, or volunteer opportunities. Networking is key. Connect with professionals through conferences, forums, and online platforms to build your career. The cybersecurity landscape is always changing. Stay current on threats and technologies to remain competitive. As you prepare for the job market, fine-tune your resume and practice for interviews specific to cybersecurity roles. Certifications like CompTIA Security Plus, CISSP, and CEH are highly regarded in the industry. Let's take a look at what they entail. Now that you have a roadmap, take action. Your cybersecurity career awaits, and there are resources to help you along the journey.